Good morning, everyone. Let's start our day slowly and happily together.
Wow, it feels like a new day. What are we doing today?
We will go shopping today. We stay together and enjoy it.
Shopping? That sounds fun. Can we go now?
What are we buying today? Is it something special?
We buy food and small things. We only take what we need.
Can we buy snacks too? Just one small snack?
Not today, sweetie. Let's focus on our list first.
Okay, everyone agrees. Let's get ready and go together.
I have the keys. Is everyone ready now?
Wait, did I forget something? I feel a little unsure.
It's okay. You have everything. Let's go calmly.
Look over there. What is that on the street?
That is our neighbor. Let's say hello politely.
We wave and smile. Being friendly feels nice.
There are many houses here. They all look different.
Stay close while walking. We walk slowly together.
Is that the shop? It looks big and busy.
Remember our rules. Stay near us inside.
Let's take a breath first. Then we go in.
Okay, I am ready. I will stay close. The shelves are so tall. I want to see everything.
We take a basket. We choose things slowly.
Wow, look at that. It has many colors.
This one is useful. We need it at home.
Good job staying together. Let's keep shopping calmly.
Let's check our list again. This is the main thing today.
Here it is. This is what we need, right?
It should be in that aisle. Let's look there first.
Okay, let's walk together. We will find it soon.
It looks different. Where's the item? I don't see it here. Did it move?
Let me check here carefully. Sometimes things change places.
I will look over there too. Let's stay calm.
Why is it not here today? I feel confused.
Is this the one? It looks kind of similar.
Not this one. See, it is a little different.
Let's think for a moment. We don't need to rush.
Let's try another aisle. We might find it there. These colors are different. I want to compare them.
I will check this one closely. Details help us choose. Oh, I think this is it. I'm not sure though.
Good try. This one is not right. We put it back.
People shop differently. Everyone looks busy here. Yes, we share the space. We stay kind and patient.
Let's move a little. We don't block the aisle.
Come closer, everyone. Let's think together again.
I feel worried now. What if we can't find it?
It's okay. We can ask for help soon.
I will look for a worker. They can help us.
Yes, that's a good idea. Let's do that. It's okay to ask for help. People here are kind.
Okay, I feel nervous, but I trust you.
Let's look around together and find someone helpful. I see a worker over there. That's good.
Let's go together. We can do this calmly.
Excuse me, may I ask you something, please?
Of course. I'm happy to help you.
I will stand here and listen.
We can't find an item. We looked everywhere nearby.
No problem at all. Let's check together.
Can you tell me what it looks like?
It's small and blue. We usually buy it here.
It's near the snacks. We buy it often.
Okay, I understand now.
Let's look where the helper shows us.
Please, follow me. This way. Stay close, everyone. Walk slowly.
I'm looking carefully at these shelves.
I'm right here with you.
I don't see it yet. I hope it's here somewhere.
Don't worry. Let me check again.
It's okay. We can wait.
Here it is. This is the one.
Yes, that's it. Thank you so much.
We found it! I'm so happy now.
Great. I'll take it carefully.
Everything is okay now.
Thank you for helping us today.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
I'm glad we asked for help.
Asking for help is okay.
Let's continue shopping together. Let's keep going. We're doing great together.
I want to check if everything is inside.
Yes, we're almost finished now.
We still need one more thing, right?
Good idea. Let's go this way. I can wait here quietly. Thank you for waiting so nicely.
I'm keeping my hands close.
Which one do you think is better?
Okay, let's take this one.
I know that person.
Hello, nice to see you.
Hello. Have a nice day.
People are kind here.
Let's continue now.
Let me check everything one last time. Are we finished now?
Yes, we're all done.
Let's head to the exit.
Stay together while we walk.
The store feels different now.
It feels good outside.
Today went better than we expected.
I was scared, but asking helped. You did very well.
We solved it together.
Let's enjoy the walk home.
I feel happy now.
I love moments like this.
Let's keep walking together.